Hello friends, so we're back in the shop today, and today we're going to be working on the coffee table. So what we have to do is remove the boards that we put on there, and we're going to re-straighten them, put them back down, finish the top, hopefully go around the sides and maybe work on the bottom. So we got to get wood processed. I have to process wood for this coffee table, and so let's get started. Probably about a 1-inch gap here and virtually no gap over here. So what happened is I got off on my center line, and I think it may be one of the curve in these boards or something along the way, but I don't think I need to take them all up. I'm probably going to have to take these up, and so we're going to try to surgically remove these without breaking them. I did not glue them down. If you don't have one of these little pry bars, bring it closer so you can see it. You don't have to get a Stanley one. I've had this one for so long, and it's got the little claw here. And more importantly, it's got this little foot here. Now this one I've damaged using it for purposes that was not intended, but that's normal. I use this a lot when I did my flooring in the house. Edge, well, not nailed down. The edge, we're ended up with this gap on both sides, and I think I'm going to take and run a board under here, and then a face board across here so I have something to nail to. And any imperfections in the wood, I'll just wood putty them and maybe put epoxy in some of the knots. I don't know yet. Okay, so these are just laid on here now. I'm going to follow my line off it here. Okay, Wyatt? Okay. Now, right now, I'm sitting about a 1/2 inch off. I'm going to go about a 1/2 inch off. Mark me a line. Now check my square. Sure I'm square. Do a final line.
Daddy, where's your triangle? Your green triangle? Where is it?
It's over there somewhere, I guess. Okay, this is just a weight. So now you can see where I'm going to cut. Lot easier. That's why it's nice to have these little band saws in your shop, just for little quick stuff like that. I use this a lot. This is just a 10-inch. I use it more than I ever thought I would. So it's just a good addition to have. Okay. Now this guy goes here. And this guy goes here. And we're close over here. So some people kind of cheap out when they get to this point and they just have one piece, but I like to have the wood grain to follow the grain pattern of this. I think it looks so much better. So here's some scraps from last go around, and the challenge is we need a board that's this wide, because see, this board is not the same width. When I put it on there, I got this gap at the end. I cut a board that will go here, so line it up and nail it. Yeah, remember I've got a piece here that I can nail to. So I can nail out here now. Head hit the microphone. Just gonna miss that edge. Look at that. I'm gonna round that edge over anyway. Okay. We got this board now. We're going to nail her in. That ain't going nowhere. So there you have it. The coffee table. Not that smart. Okay. All right. This is a piece from earlier. I've got pieces I can cut like this, and you end up with a little bit of overlap on the corner right here. That's okay. We'll just sand that off. That's no big deal. Our X bracing, and got a little polyurethane on there. So it's going to fit together like so. No? So that'll be painted white. What do you think, boys?
We like it. We like it.
White legs. They wanted X bracing on the sides.
This one's not There's not one.
Nice space underneath for storage. So there it is. We appreciate you guys' support. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you guys' support. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next build. Thank you. Please, if you like this video, you want to see more, click the subscribe button, click the like button. Helps us out a lot. Thank you guys. Boys want to say anything?